Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun summer solar light DIY. We're going to start with one of the galvanized metal flower pots. Everything in this DIY is from Dollar Tree, and I am just cleaning the metal, preparing it with some fingernail polish remover. It works great for that. And I do want to leave the twine on there, so I'm going to use a little bit of painter's tape just to protect that. And I'm going to show you a really easy way to add some color to these. For no brush strokes, I'm just using one of those little sponge stencil daubers from the Crafter Square and acrylic paint in this beautiful like turquoise color, just to provide a pop of color, since we're going to be using yellow flowers and the yellow flower solar lights from Dollar Tree. So once I get that painted, what I'm going to do is DIY a faux summer plant. Now, since these pots are a little bit lightweight, I'm going to weigh mine down with just some Dollar Tree rocks. You can use kind of whatever you have. You're just going to want to weigh down the bottom of the pot so it won't be tipping over if you have it outdoors. I cleaned up my twine with a little bit of flame and then filled the pot just with potting soil because, Dollar Tree has it. It'll make it even look more like a real plant. It was a little dry though, so I moistened mine a little bit. And these pots do leak, so you don't really have to worry about drilling holes in the bottom. Now you could use sunflowers, but I found these flowers from the Dollar Tree that are a bright yellow coneflower. I thought they were really cute. So I'm going to cut down one bundle to provide like the bottom. And then I kind of just needed to see what size these solar stakes are. They are pretty tall, so that will be a good bottom layer. But I think I'm definitely going to have to make the plant taller. And so that's what I'm going to do. I have a couple more bundles of this, and I'm just going to leave them all attached. That's going to provide the perfect height to incorporate these fun solar lights that look like flowers. So for 2 bundles, I'm going to leave them just completely intact and just put them down into the potting soil and the stones below for a bright summer flower display, and then using the remaining ones to fill in the lower spaces. I'm going to use 3 of the flower-shaped solar lights. I think these are going to be really cute in there. I always like to kind of work with odd numbers. I think it makes it look a little bit better. And I'm just going to have the flowers kind of shining out in all directions. Just make sure you don't cover up the solar panels on those so that they will light up nicely. This is how it turned out. It was really fun to put together. A fun, bright summer DIY will look great on your front porch this summer. And let me show you what it looks like at night. It lights up really nicely, and I just love the solar lights they have at Dollar Tree this summer. Now, if you would like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach or visit my website at craftybeach.net. Happy crafting!